Okay, so we're going to use the 3-bay rule, and I'm using the line furthest away from my 3rd bay. I've got the white line about in line with my shoulder. I'm going to do my all-around observations, which we call the 6-point check. Then I'm going to do a full lock to the right, keeping my observations over my left and right shoulder, just making sure it's safe to keep going backwards. You'll see the car is now getting into the bay. What's important here is that you straighten up at the right time, and a good way to make sure that you're parallel with the lines is look at the bay in front of you, bring the wheel back straight, and we're in the bay perfect.